Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to analyze your TikTok analytics. Open TikTok application on your device and then open your profile at the bottom side of the screen. And now what we need to do is you should switch to business account. So in the top right corner of your screen you see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu, and then you should select settings, find account, and here you need to find the feature switch to business account. Tap next button, next, and now I should choose the category that best describes my account, and this category will not be displayed publicly. And I need to note that here you can choose only one category, so you see that I cannot choose several. So for example, this one, tap next. This is optional, but you can add your email if you want to. I can skip. And also the bio, if you don't have your bio, if you don't still have your bio, you can add it right now, but I will again skip. And now you see that we should press red button to basically access our business center. So I can go again to the menu, and here I need to find TikTok Studio, and this is your analytics. You should press view all, go to viewers, and here will be all the analytics about your viewers. And now you see most active times, and this is for the feature when if you have a question when this is the best time to post on TikTok. And here you can see when your followers engage with your content the most, and on those hours you should post TikToks. And here you can also see that you can view analytics about your followers, about live sessions, about your content, or just see overview. So that's basically how you can analyze your TikTok analytics. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.